Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Vinay. How many of you know that there were more than 100 types of concrete available in the construction industry? You don't know, right? Yeah. But is it necessary that we have to learn all the types of concrete available in the construction? The answer is no. But we have to know the main types of concrete and we have to know the properties and something else, right? So our main aim of this video is to present you top 20 types of concrete available in the construction. And without wasting your time, let's start our video. So what is plain or ordinary concrete? It is one of the most common type of concrete used in the construction. In this type of concrete, the essential constituents are cement, sand and coarse aggregates, and these are mixed with a specified quantity of water to make a design mix. The most commonly type of design mix is nominal mix, what we called as nominal mix design, and the ratio of it is 1:2:4. Plain concrete is mostly used in the construction of pavements, bed flooring, under the column footings and in buildings where very high tensile strength is not required. And you have to note this point, not required. So where there is no requirement of high tensile strength, you have to use plain or ordinary concrete. Okay, if we require high tensile strength, what we have to use then? We'll discuss later in this video, so don't skip the video. We'll discuss all the types of concretes. And so next, lightweight concrete. Any types of concrete having a density less than 1920 kg per meter cube is classified as lightweight concrete. Various types of aggregates that are used in the manufacturing of lightweight concrete include natural materials and also artificial materials. The single important property of lightweight concrete is its very low thermal conductivity. Lightweight concretes are used depending upon their composition for thermal insulation, for protecting steel structures, and they are also used in long span decks and even as building blocks. So these are the main importance of lightweight concrete. Next we'll discuss high density concrete. This type of concrete is also called heavyweight concrete. In this concrete type, the density varies between 3000 to 4000 kg per meter cube. These types of concrete are prepared by using high density crushed rocks as coarse aggregates. So these crushed rocks are used as a coarse aggregate in high density concrete. So these high density concrete are mostly used in atomic power plants and other similar structures because it provides good protection from all types of radiation. Most of the times the radiation will not pass through the walls. And next, reinforced concrete. It is also known as RCC, and the steel in various forms is used as a reinforcement in the RCC to give very high tensile strength. So every care is taken to ensure the maximum bond between reinforcement and the concrete during setting and hardening process, because the resulting material is capable of bearing all types of stress in any type of construction. So the stress is maybe in the form of tensile stress or the compression. RCC is used in almost every house construction, especially in India. So there are different grades available in concrete like M20, M40, which represents strength of the concrete. So it is very different topic. If you want to make a specific video on this topic, please comment below. We'll try to make another video based on your interest. Next, precast concrete. This term refers to numerous types of concrete shapes that are cast into molds either in a factory or at the site. However, these molds are not used in construction until they are completely set and hardened in a controlled condition. So some of the examples of precast concrete are precast poles, fences, and concrete lintels, staircase units, etc. Next, prestressed concrete. It is a special type of reinforced concrete in which the reinforced bars are tensioned before being embedded into the concrete. The tensioned wires are held firm at each end while the concrete mix is placed. The result is that when the concrete sets and hardens, the whole concrete members is put into compression. This sort of arrangement makes the lower section of the reinforced concrete also stronger against tension. Since pre-stressing involves the use of jacks and tensioning equipment, the prestressed concrete is also cast in the factories. The prestressed concrete is greatly favored in the construction of bridges, long span roofs, and the most structures with a heavy dead load. Next, air entrained concrete. It is a specially prepared plain concrete in which air is entrained in the form of thousands of uniform distributed particles. The volume of air thus entrained may range between 3 to 6% of the concrete. The air entrained is achieved by adding a small quantity of foaming or gas foaming agents at the mixing stage. Fatty acids, fatty alcohols, and resins are some common air entraining agents. Air entrained concrete is most resistant to scaling, deterioration due to freezing and thawing, and abrasion. So these are the main advantages. Next, glass concrete. When the recycled glass is used as an aggregate in the concrete, this type of concrete is known as glass concrete. They provide better thermal insulation and also have great appealing look as compared to other types of concrete. Next, rapid hardening concrete. This type of concrete is mostly used in underwater construction and in repairing of roads because its hardening time is very less. It can be hardened in just a few hours. They are also used in building construction where the work should be done fast. Next, asphalt concrete. Asphalt concrete is a combination of aggregates and asphalt. They are vastly used in highways, airports, as well as in the embankments. They can be hardened in just an hour. That is the reason for its vast usage in roads. Lime concrete. In this type of concrete, lime is used as a binding material with the aggregates. Before the invention of cement, the mostly used concrete was lime concrete. Lime concrete is also used in floors, domes, etc. And next, permeable concrete. Permeable concrete is prepared in such a manner that the water can be passed in it. They have about 15 to 20% voids so that the water can pass in it. They are used in those areas where stormwater issues persist. Recently, many students are showing interest in researching about this topic. So if you want us to make a separate video on this topic, please comment below. Next, Shotcrete. Shotcrete is a concrete prepared in the same manner as ordinary concrete, but the difference is that they are placed differently. Shotcrete is placed with the help of higher air pressure through nozzles. The benefit of this technique is that the compaction and placing of the concrete will be done simultaneously. So this is a short description. And next, ready mix concrete. This concrete type is prepared in concrete plants and transported by the help of truck mounted transit mixtures. Once they are reached at the site, then there is no further treatment necessary. The plant location will be an adjustable location so that the concrete can be supplied before the setting time can be started. If you want to know more information about ready mix concrete, we recently made a video about this topic. I will give those links in the description. Please go and watch. Next, self-consolidated concrete. These types of concrete are compacted by its own weight by means of consolidation process. There is no need for using a vibrator or doing manual compaction, which is tedious nowadays. The workability of concrete is always high in this type of concrete. That is the reason it is known as flowing concrete. But the cost of the concrete may be higher than the normal concrete, but it is worth to use for the larger constructions. Next, fiber reinforced concrete. It is a type of concrete in which steel fibers of 10 to 20 microns in diameter and 10 to 50 mm in length is used. Fiber increases resilience, tensile strength, flexibility, and other qualities. The fibers may be of different materials like steel, polymer, glass, carbon, or even natural fibers like coconut fiber, etc. These are used in places where increased resistance to cracking is required. Next, fly ash concrete. Concrete using fly ash is called fly ash concrete. Fly ash is obtained from coals. Fly ash can be used to replace fine aggregate or cement or to replace partially both. Up to 30% of replacement of fine aggregate and 20% replacement of cement have been reported or accepted. Fly ash improves workability in fresh concrete and durability and strength in hardened concrete. The particles of fly ash should be finer than the cement particles. Next, high strength concrete. High strength concrete is a concrete with strength over 40 Newton per mm square. It is also known as high performance concrete. High performance concrete is used to achieve some special properties in concrete like high strength, low shrinkage, self compaction, high fire resistant, etc. Next, polymer concrete. Polymerization is a process of conversion of monomers into polymers. In normal concrete, you should have seen the micropores cannot be avoided. The impregnation of monomers into these pores and subsequent polymerization is a technique that has been developed recently to reduce the porosity of concrete and to improve its strength and other properties. The following are the 4 types of polymer concrete materials available at present. Polymer impregnated concrete PIC, polymer Portland cement concrete PPCC, polymer concrete PC, partially impregnated and surface coated polymer concrete. So these are the types of polymers available at present. And next, ferro cement concrete. Ferro cement concrete should not be confused with fiber concrete. Ferro cement consists of closely spaced wire meshes which are impregnated with a rich mix of cement mortar. The material was developed in 1940 by the Italian architect P.L. Nevi to build a large number of pleasing structural forms. The steel content of this concrete will be as high as 300 to 500 kg per meter cube of the mortar. As the material consists of a large percentage of steel, it has high ductility and tensile strength. We recently made a video about ferro cement concrete and I will give those links in the description. So these are the 20 types of different types of concrete used in the construction and also in different areas. So if you like our video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon for getting notifications of our latest videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.